I'm happy to see those two back in tandem as well. Two other changes higher up the pitch. Jadon Sancho comes back into the side, on that left side, and Anthony Martial starts at the top end. So Rashford, Wout, Weghorst and Malachi are the three that miss out. But there's only one change for Wolves in this team. He's obviously very happy with what's going on, and it's there. Dan Bentley makes his debut.
Standard tie.
Eriksen.
Just off the shoulder of
United now with Anthony.
Picking the ball up. We all know where he wants to go. It's unfortunate, but you just can't afford to do that in those.
Matheus Nunes. There's Fernandes.
Fernandes really gets his foot through it. That certainly helped the confidence levels.
Eriksen.
Oh, winning the ball back high up, pressing. This is much better from Manchester United.
Sancho. Shaw again. Cross to Anthony.
At minimum down. Best case. You know, 6 yards out.
There's again. Places it over to Anthony.
To a midfield position, and from there,
Squares it to Martial.
the stride of Anthony. And then he was going to pass this. He's played the pass at the perf, just touching the ball away from Kilman.
I'll make sure. And that goal may just have lifted a little bit of pressure.
He's trying to just sneak that in. It just falls really. It's going through the legs of Dawson. It takes a deflection and makes it even better.
Is there to support Garnacho?
Garnacho. And with cameos like this, you could turn back, create the space, put head. I thought he was going to shoot first time.
And surely, and that back in amongst the goals for Manchester.
Welcome to my channel Samala. دابا غنشوفوا ان شاء الله في هذا الدرس هذا غنشوفوا الفعل الناقص. حروف عله اللي هي واي الا جات في الاخر ديال الفعل كيتسمى هذا الفعل فعل ناقص. الا كانت هاد الحروف عله في الاخر ديال الفعل بحال مثلا مشى، رأى، الاخر ديالو كاين حرف عله، مثلا نما. يعني الا كان الاخر ديالو حرف عله ممكن تعتبر هذا الفعل فعل ناقص.